Access to clean water is a fundamental necessity for all individuals, yet the cost of atmospheric water generators often makes it unaffordable for many people. Recognizing this challenge, the idea of developing a machine that can generate water from the air has gained traction. By leveraging existing patents and expert guidance, it is possible to create a practical solution that provides clean and safe water to those in need. In this essay, we will explore the concept of atmospheric water generators, emphasizing the importance of expert guidance and technology that ensures high-quality water production. The need for affordable atmospheric water generators. Clean water is vital for human survival and overall well-being. Unfortunately, conventional methods of water purification and access may not be feasible or cost-effective in certain regions. Atmospheric water generators offer a promising solution by utilizing the abundant moisture present in the air. However, the high cost of commercially available systems restricts access for many individuals who require clean water. The role of expert guidance. To bridge the gap between theory and practical implementation, it is crucial to have expert guidance. Mere theoretical books or articles, often accompanied by hidden advertisements, do not provide the necessary support for creating water from the atmosphere. Instead, a comprehensive guide from experts, offering step-by-step instructions, is essential to facilitate the successful realization of an atmospheric water generator project. The Water Liberty Guide, a practical resource. The Water Liberty Guide is a valuable resource that caters specifically to the project of creating water from the air. Developed by experts in the field, this guide presents a detailed and comprehensive approach, guiding individuals through the theoretical foundations and practical implementation of atmospheric water generation. It serves as a reliable reference that enables interested individuals to turn their ideas into tangible solutions. Ensuring water quality. While the concept of generating water from the air holds promise, it is essential to prioritize water quality. The technology employed must ensure that the water produced meets high standards of cleanliness and safety. Utilizing condensing cooling technology, akin to air conditioners, may not yield water of the required standard. Therefore, it becomes crucial to adopt alternative methods that preserve the sacred geometrical structure of water, carrying positive energy. Ether technology. Harnessing nature's wisdom, the Water Liberty Guide distinguishes itself by utilizing ether technology, which mimics the natural process of rain formation. This technology eliminates the need for filtration as water is generated within the air chamber. By harnessing the power of ether, which controls the weather, the guide ensures that the water produced adheres to the highest standards of quality and purity. Interested individuals can delve deeper into the concept of ether technology to better understand its significance in atmospheric water generation. Exploring reviews and resources. For those seeking additional insights and information, the Water is Memory for Consciousness and Wisdom blog offers a platform to explore reviews of the Water Liberty Guide and other atmospheric water generators. This resource provides valuable perspectives and guidance for individuals embarking on their own water generation projects. Access to clean water is a universal right, and the development of affordable atmospheric water generators can help address this global challenge. By leveraging expert guidance, such as the Water Liberty Guide, individuals can transform theoretical concepts into practical solutions. It is imperative to prioritize water quality by employing technologies like ether technology that mimic natural processes and preserve the sacred structure of water. With access to reliable resources and platforms like the aforementioned blog, individuals can embark on a journey towards creating clean and safe water from the atmosphere, improving lives, and promoting a sustainable future for all. That's the real secret. What you may not realize is just how efficient such a simple innovative system is, as it interested the need of buying expensive bottled water or going through the hassle of drilling a new well. And thanks to this breakthrough technology, you can now literally drink from the enormous lakes in the air. The water is purified and the unique system can produce up to 30 gallons of clean, fresh water a day, and you won't have to worry about all the nasty chemicals ever again. The fundamentals are so easy, and if properly applied, you can have a virtually unlimited water supply anywhere, even if you live in the desert.